Students, today we are going to solve this question where it is written if n is an odd integer, then 1 plus iota power 6n plus 1 minus iota power 6n is equal to what? See, there is one very short trick to solve this question. 1 plus iota, okay, and here is power 6n. Can we write it as 2 into 3n? So I am writing 3n outside. Now this one is a plus b whole square. So if you will solve this a plus b whole square, it will come 1 means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Correct? If you will further solve it, it will come 1 plus, and I square means iota square is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 iota power 3n. This one will get cancelled. Now here we are getting 2 iota power 3n, which can be further written as 3n into iota power 3n. Okay. Now in the similar way, if you will solve this part also, it will become a minus b whole square. So you will get a square plus b square minus 2ab and power 3n. If you will solve this one, 1 will get cancelled, minus 2i power 3n. Correct? Which can be written as minus 2 power 3n and into iota power 3n. Okay. Now question is telling you to sum these two. So 2 power 3 means what? 8 power n into I power 3n, and then add with minus 8 power n into iota power 3n. In this 2, can we take iota power 3n common? So what will remain here? 8n minus 8 power n. And now in the question it is given that n is the odd integer. If n is odd integer, so it will never be plus, right? N is odd number, so this minus 8 will never be plus. It will always come in negative number only. For example, if you will do minus 8 square, so it will turn into plus because it is even number, right? If you will do minus 8 cube, so what will happen? Minus into minus into minus, right? 3 times you are multiplying. So plus minus minus, finally answer will come in minus. So all the time whenever you will take odd number here, it will remain in minus and this one will remain in plus because it is already in plus. So these both will get cancelled. So we have to multiply it with 0. So finally if you will multiply with 0, so answer will be 0. So for this question, answer will be 0. Hope you have enjoyed this video, students. If you have further any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.